Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you that how you can get a 5 lakh Hindi rupees courses for completely free. In today's video I will show you the full way of how you can get these free courses with a completion certificate as well. So don't waste any time. Here is the Coding Ninjas platform. You can see here this is the Coding Ninjas platform. These courses have a lots and lots of high prizes. These courses have a prizes of 44,000, 45, 48,000. One course, only one. For example, it's full stack web development courses, 44,000 Hindi rupees. So here you can see here is an offer. Scholarship brackets. Here you can see here the register for CNSAT and get up to 100% scholarship. You will get 100% scholarship, means that you will get all of the courses for 100% free. Here you can see here in these fields they have a courses. C++, Java, Python, data science and machine learning, data analytics, MERN-Stack, React, full stack, Node.js, product companies, interview preparation, and all of these courses, competitive programming, database management, and all of these. So here you can see here the registration form. So firstly you have to register yourself, and then you have to here for the persons that have ranked 1 to 10 you will get 100% free, and from the ranking of 11 to 30 you will get 75% scholarships or courses. Here you can see here you have to take your chance. If you're not an advanced student, if you're an intermediate as well, you have to take your chance and give this taste. So here you have to input your first name, enter your all of the name like first name and last name, and here you have to enter your email address and your country and number. After inputting my all details, you have to click on register for CNSAT. After clicking on CNSAT, it will take a load, and you can see here, congrats, you have successfully registered for CNSAT. So all that's for the video. Take your chance. Bye till the next video.